Potassium phosphate. Potassium phosphate. So what is the cation? What is the anion? You should identify. Potassium phosphate. So you can see potassium phosphate. So what is the ions and what is the charge? You should be able to notice and write. Potassium is present here. You can check it. Potassium, this is. What is the symbol? Check it. K plus. And phosphate is here. PO4 3 minus. So that is what our ions are present. So potassium is cation, phosphate is anion. So write that everyone. Understand, Mr. Kaushik? So now cation
Yes, sir.
is potassium. Cation is potassium. What is the symbol? K plus. Potassium. Now anion is phosphate. PO4 3 minus. PO4 3 minus. So now write the symbols. Symbols K and PO4. Valencies. Valencies. How much valencies? Potassium. How much ra? Valencies. Aswin, open our mouth, Aswin. What is the valency? This is the fourth component I am teaching. Valency of potassium, how much? 1.
1, sir.
Anion. Phosphate is 3. Now you have to write crisscross. Aswin, if you are silent like this, I don't want. So now K3 and this one, PO4, 1 will come. So 1. So 1 is no need to represent, so that we can write what? K3PO4, potassium phosphate. Please remember that. Write it. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next. E. Calcium sulfate. Harini, you should tell me what is a cation, what is the anion. Calcium sulfate. Tell me who is the cation. I am not asking valency, only ion. Tell me who is the cation, who is the anion. Calcium sulfate. Johan, Aswin, who is the cation, Amma?
Calcium.
Sir, calcium.
Calcium.
Who is the anion?
Sulfate.
Sulfate.
So now go to the table column and you can see what is the valency of calcium. Check it, everyone here. Calcium, what is the valency? Harini, see here. Symbol C, valency is up. What is the valency?
2.
2. Very good. Now second one is what? Sulfate. Where is the sulfate? You see here. Sulfate, what is the valency?
2.
2. Very good. That is what? Mr. Aswin, you are only remaining, not all responding. That is what it is. So write it now, all of you. So that is what it is. So calcium is, symbol is Ca2 plus, and sulfate is, what is the sulfate symbol? SO4 2 minus. So now symbols you write. Symbols. What is symbols? Ca and this one is SO4. What is the valency? Calcium valency is how much, Arni? 2. and sulfate valence is also 2. So now apply the crisscross method. So we'll get Ca2 and bracket SO4 2. Keep it in mind, when both numbers are divisible by anything, we have to bring it into always lowest fraction. Always we have to bring it into lowest fraction. So if you notice it here, both numbers are divisible by 2, so that I will get cancel out and I will make it as a calcium sulfate, the simplest formula, lowest number always. What is the formula? Anyone can tell me? CaSO4. Please remember, always if the numbers are divisible by something, we have to bring it into lowest number, lowest possible ratio. That is what you have to remember. Okay, Harini? Aswin? Yes, write it. That is what E. Next, Metakshri, tell me magnesium nitrate formula. You should tell me. Magnesium nitrate. Formula I'm asking. Metakshri. Magnesium nitrate.
Sir, MgNO3 twice.
Very good. Right, next. Magnesium nitrate. I think this is F. Magnesium nitrate. One tabular column only have to note it. Mr. Johan, tell me what is cation, what is anion in this. Can you hear me, Mr. Johan? I'm speaking with you only.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me what is cation, what is anion.
Sir, magnesium cation.
Magnesium is cation. What is anion?
Nitrate, sir.
Nitrate. So now go to the table, and table you see that who is magnesium, where is magnesium, where is the nitrate. Check it. Magnesium here, Mg2 plus. Nitrate here, NO3 minus. So that is what it is. So write that Mg2 plus, and next one is what?
Sir, NO3.
Yes, magnesium Mg2 plus, and this one is NO3 minus. Okay, that is. Now symbols. Tell me symbols. What is the symbols? Symbols what? Mg, and this one is NO3. Symbols means leave the valency and tell me. That's all. Next, valencies. Tell me valencies. Aswin. Aswin, what is the valencies? Magnesium valency. How much you are seeing here? 2. Nitrate valency is minus, nothing indicating that 1. So that is what. So apply the crisscross. So you will get Mg1, and this one is NO3 twice. So 1 is not need to represent. So MgNO3 twice. Very good. So that is what it is. So we are trying only, it will come. Write it. Completed?
Yes, sir.
Next, aluminium chloride. Mr. Kaushik, you should tell me this one. Aluminium chloride.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Aluminium chloride. ALUMINIUM. Aluminium chloride. So tell me, who is the cation, who is the anion?
Sir, aluminum is cation, sir.
Yeah. This is ionic compound. That is what we will say always. So cation is aluminium. And anion is what?
Chloride, sir.
Okay. Now go to the tabular column and see. Aluminium. What is the valency? Check it. Aluminium, where it is? Here. Aluminium 3 plus. And chloride here. Cl minus. Yes or no? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So that is what. That is why entire tabular column should be there in our mind. If you want to write the formula for ionic compound, this tabular column is must. Out of this tabular column, it will never ask you for you. If you want to write ionic compound, you must know this tabular column. Do you understand, everybody? That is what you have to remember it. Now, symbols. Tell me symbols, Kaushik.
Sir, for aluminum,
First, write this one. Al3 plus and this one is Cl minus. Now tell me symbols.
Sir, Al, sir.
Al,
Al3+.
this one is Cl. Next, valencies. Valencies. This is 3 and this is 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So crisscross, what will come? Tell me.
Al, Cl,
Al1, Cl.
Cl3.
So Al1 is not needed. So AlCl3. That's all. Okay. Write it.
Okay.
Yeah. Mr. Arun, can you say the next compound? Can you hear me, Mr. Arun? Mr. Aswin? Everybody is responding, Aswin, except you. Next compound, Arun or Aswin? Somebody you should say. I'll say the compound name. H. Methakshari, completed Methakshari. Next, magnesium chloride. Very simple. Magnesium chloride. Somebody take initiation and tell me. Arun or Aswin. Cation and anion. I know, Aswin, you can speak. Your speaker is working. And Arun, you also. Tell me. Who is the cation? Who is the anion? Both are not there in meeting. I know that. Harini, you tell me, Harini. Magnesium chloride. Who is the cation? Who is the anion? Yes.
Magnesium cation.
Magnesium
Cation.
cation. Mr. Aswin, you have to speak loudly. Magnesium cation. Anion.
Chloride, sir.
Chloride. So now, see the tabular column and tell me what is the magnesium symbol, ion, cation symbol. I won't show the table, you tell me. You have book correct? Methakshari, magnesium symbol, cation,
Mg2 plus, sir.
Mg2 plus. Chloride, Aswin. Till now also you have written chloride. What is the symbol? Cl minus. Keep on remember, I keep on calling you. Now tell me symbols, Mr. Aswin. Aswin, Mr. Aswin, symbols I'm asking.
Mg.
Mg and this symbol.
Cl.
Cl. Next. Valencies. Valencies, tell me, Aswin.
Sub2.
Mg valencies, tell me, Aswin. 2 and this one. 1. Yeah. So if you crisscross, what will come? Tell me fastly. Try to communicate.
Mg1, Cl2.
Yes.
sir.
Mg.
1, Cl2.
Mg1, Cl2. So 1 is not necessary to show. So what will write?
MgCl.
Very good. MgCl2, not MgCl. MgCl2. Okay. Good. Very good. Finish it. Harish, finish, Harish. Completed, Harish. Next.
Yes, sir.
Next, aluminum oxide. Next one, right? Aluminum oxide. Aluminum oxide. Yes, Mr. Johan, it's your time. What is cation? What is anion? Fastly.
Sir, aluminum cation oxide anion, sir.
Aluminum is cation and oxide is anion. Yeah, see the valencies and tell me the tabular column fastly. Aluminum. Yes, please. Aluminum cation. Fastly see the table and tell me, boy.
Sir, Al3, sir.
Al3 plus. Oxide. Oxide, check it, you will find it. Oxide. Not finding? Oxide.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
So you don't have book till now.
No, sir, man.
Oxide, you are not finding here. What is that?
Sir, O2 minus, sir.
That is, you should learn this tabular column. You by heart also, I don't have any problem. You must learn. Next, tell me symbols now. Symbols. Al and O.
O.
Valencies. Valencies, tell me. Valencies, tell me, Ram. Don't cheat the charge. Valencies, tell me. You cannot tell. 3 and here valency is what? 2. Now you can apply the crisscross formula. So tell me, what is the formula will come? Just to add the valencies, what will come? Al2O3. That is. So please write it, all of you. Are you clear? Mithakshri, anything doubt? Tomorrow I will teach you covalent compounds or molecular compounds. What is the chemical formulas and how to do it and all will solve. Is it okay? Later only we'll go about measurement of atomic mass and molecular mass. I will teach you that. What is the measurement of atomic mass and molecular mass? So this is what aluminum oxide. Next, I am giving you some compounds. You have to write it and you have to text me in WhatsApp by after this class. J is ammonium carbonate. Ammonium carbonate. I have to receive from every one of you. Ammonium carbonate. Next, K is calcium hydroxide. Understand, Mr. Aswin, Kaushik? You have to write it and you have to send me. Next, L, copper sulfate. Copper sulfate. And M. Harini, I will check it. You also should write and tell me. And aluminium sulfate. Aluminium sulfate. So these all the 4 compounds. Write it and send me the structure similar manner. How we are writing here. Similar manner you have to write it and send me the WhatsApp. Okay. So this is what about it. Ionic compounds. How to write the chemical formula of ionic compounds. So totally 13 compounds I am giving you. So you have to remember that. Now tomorrow's class we will study properties of these ionic compounds and later chemical formula of some covalent compounds. As we know, these all are ionic compounds. We'll discuss some of the covalent compounds also. And covalent compounds, remember, also called as molecular compounds. So after that, we will study measurement of atomic mass and as well as molecular mass. That is the most important concept in our entire chemistry of this chapter, which is will come in again and again in future. That is what measurement of atomic mass and molecular mass, which we will study in our tomorrow's class. Okay. So with this, I will stop the today's class. Hope you are all clear. From here, we'll continue in the tomorrow's class. Thank you all. Write this name, formulas of this 4 and send me in WhatsApp. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.